Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to search within your starred messages on the LinkedIn app for PC after the new update. If you've saved important conversations but struggled to quickly find them later, this tutorial will make the process clear and easy to follow. First, open the LinkedIn app on your computer. Once the app is loaded, look towards the bottom corner of your screen and click on the messaging bar. This is your direct access point to all conversations and where you'll begin narrowing down your search. Now that you're inside your messages, take a look at the top where the search bar is located. Right beside it, you'll see a filter option. Click on that filter to reveal different categories. Here's the key step. Choose the starred option. By selecting this, you're telling LinkedIn to only show messages you've starred in the past. From here, all you have to do is type into the search field what you're looking for. Whether it's a keyword, a name, or a specific phrase, LinkedIn will now scan only your starred conversations instead of all your messages. This makes the search process much quicker and helps you find exactly what matters most without scrolling endlessly. This update is particularly helpful if you're managing a lot of professional connections and need to revisit important messages without losing track. Instead of digging through dozens or even hundreds of conversations, you now have a clean shortcut straight to the ones you've highlighted as important. So remember, the steps are: open the LinkedIn app, go to the messaging bar, click on the filter in the search bar, choose starred, and then type whatever you want to find. It's that straightforward. With this feature, you can save valuable time and make sure your most important conversations are always just a few clicks away. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, following up with a recruiter, or referencing project details, searching starred messages this way will keep you organized and efficient. And that's all it takes to search in your starred messages on LinkedIn with the latest update.